Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn on or enable text cursor indicator in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Accessibility. Select Text Cursor, turn on Text Cursor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.